In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font style in Gmail on your PC. Whether you're personalizing your emails for a bit more flair or simply trying to make your messages stand out, altering the font style can make a big difference. Let's dive into the process and make your Gmail experience uniquely yours. To start with, open your favorite web browser and head over to Gmail by entering www.gmail.com in the address bar. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your inbox. Next, look towards the top right of your Gmail page where you'll see a gear icon, which represents settings. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear. At the very top, you'll see an option titled See All Settings. Make sure to select that. Once you've done so, you'll be directed to the General Settings tab. From here, scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled Default Text Style. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can choose your preferred font, size, and even the color of the text you'll use in your emails. This section will display various font styles, sizes, and colors for you to select. Let's talk about the basics. Under the font options, you'll find a selection of standard fonts to pick from, whether you're after something timeless like Arial, or perhaps something with more personality such as Comic Sans. It's all up to your personal preference. Simply click on the font name to see the list and make your choice. Next, you'll notice a section for text size next to the font options. You can choose from small, normal, large, or huge. This setting will ensure your emails are easily readable for your recipients, so choose a size that gets your message across clearly. Finally, there's the text color option. Clicking on the color box will display a palette, allowing you to select the exact color you envision for your emails. Remember, a clear and professional appearance usually works best, but feel free to let your creativity flow if it suits the context of your emails. Once you've made your selections, be sure to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is an important step to ensure that your settings are updated. Your default font style, size, and color will now be applied every time you compose a new email in Gmail. And there you have it. With just a few adjustments, your emails will now have a personalized touch that reflects your unique style. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped enhance your Gmail experience.